Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a nice warm spiced wine. And basically, you want to peel an orange and peel a lemon and place that in a small little pot like this. All right, and then you want to add 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Okay, going on to the spices. You want to add 2 whole cinnamon sticks. Also, you want to add 2 whole cloves and a whole nutmeg. And then pour an entire 750 bottle of wine in the pot and place over a very, very low heat. Because remember, you want to keep the alcohol in. If alcohol gets much above 115, the alcohol starts cooking right the fuck out. There you go, low heat. And you want to kind of heat this up slowly for about 10 minutes. Okay, this was not my most brilliant idea, but you have to strain the wine. I thought this would seal better. It did not. But you want to strain all those spices and orange peel out. Also, make sure to clean up the mess you're making. And then just pour yourself a fine glass of this warm spiced wine. And that's it. Warm spiced wine. Done.